Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and we're here for part 2 of Holidays in Atlantic City. This is a 3-part series. Part 1 was earlier this week, which covered the Tropicana, Caesars, Bally's, and Claridge. Today we're going to cover resorts, Hard Rock, Showboat, as well as Ocean Casino Resort. Part 3 is going to deal with the marina side of town. We'll have Borgata, Harrah's, and Golden Nugget. That'll be later this week, as well as the Irish Pub, which, well, basically isn't on the marina side of town, but it's the only place I could fit it in this 3-part series. At the end of the series, just like last year, we'll ultimately pick a winner of who decorated the best down at Atlantic City. In part 1, everyone seemed to like either the Tropicana or the Claridge, and today we'll see who we like the best. Just leave a comment below. And ultimately, like I said, at the end of the week, when the entire city is done, we'll come up with a winner. At least I will, and then you guys can let me know with your feedback who you thought should have won. Without any further ado, let's go to part 2, shall we? This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And that was pretty much it for resorts. Now we're going to head over to Hard Rock right next door and see what they look like for the holidays. up, as we head north on the boardwalk, we have the Showboat, which has been full of surprises all year long, and they didn't stop surprising during the holiday season either, near the end of the year. Lots of surprises inside. The place is looking pretty darn good. Might I add that the Showboat didn't stop with just holiday decorations on the inside either. They're one of the only hotels and casinos that really pulled out all the stops outside as well.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Have you guys lost count of the big and beautiful Christmas trees here at the Showboat? I've lost count a while ago. What do you think? The Showboat's looking pretty good, right? Well, now we're at the northern tip of the boardwalk here in Atlantic City, the skyscraper, at least in Atlantic City. Yeah, actually, it's one of the tallest buildings in New Jersey. The Ocean Casino Resort. Let's check it out and see what they're doing for the holidays. Okay guys, that's it for part 2 of this 3-part series, Holidays in Atlantic City. What'd you think of this group, huh? A little bit tougher than I think the first group. There's 2 standouts here if you ask me. Which one did you like? Leave a comment below. And out of the 2 groups, between all the hotels and casinos on the boardwalk, which one did you like the most, whether it's in part 1 or part 2? Now don't forget, the end of this week we're going to visit the Borgata, the Golden Nugget, Harrah's, as well as the Irish Pub for part 3. And then ultimately we'll pick a winner for this year, but it's getting tough. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.